talk about saving money. Who don't want to save money? Come on, put your hands up. Of course you do. There's never a bad time to save money. And this is around insurance. From time to time, again, if you watch my updates on a regular basis, I'm always looking, particularly around insurance, at opportunities to, save money on your premiums. Because you're paying those premiums, when it comes to life insurance, which is what I want to talk about today, you're saving money. Okay, it might be 10 or 20 quid a month, but if you could save 20 quid a month, your life insurance normally would be for 25 years. You're mirroring the length of your mortgage. So 25 quid a month could be £6,000. I don't know if I've done the maths here, but it's thousands and thousands of pounds of savings over the longer term. So do not turn your nose up if you can save 20 quid a month right now because of the cumulative effect. So where's the saving opportunity this month? Well, it's around smoking. Now, let me just rewind a little bit. If you came to me today and said, Richard, get me a quote for life insurance, and I say the premium is £40 a month, and you say, oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you, actually, I'm a smoker. Then I would go back and I would say, well, do you know what, that £40 a month premium that I thought as a non-smoker increases by about 50%. You're now at £60 a month. An extra 50% on your premium. So, here's the thing where the saving comes in. Because if you've quit in the last year, at least 12 months ago, then lenders will reassess you as a non-smoker. Yes, you've got to not even be vaping or on patches. You've got to have quit properly. Now, you might say, hold on, Richard, how is an underwriter or at the insurance company going to check whether it's been 10 months, 11 months, 12 months? And you're absolutely right. There's no hard and fast way of checking whether that 12 months are up. So there is a degree of uncertainty from the insurance companies. They will ask you, as the applicant, to state that there's been a 12 months hiatus between stopping smoking and today. So there is an amount of trust going on here with the life insurance companies. Now, what they may do, and I underline may, is that they might actually get you to undertake a nicotine test, and they will check to see your nicotine levels from perhaps a blood test to see whether you will be classed as a non-smoker. So you need to bear that in mind. You need to do it legitimately. You need to have stopped smoking. And so when those tests are done, you've got that clear way forward, and the underwriters and the insurance companies will stamp you off as a non-smoker and put you onto those lower premiums. So even if you've got a policy right now, you've taken it out as a non-smoker, you're not committed to any insurance company. Unlike mortgages, there's no redemption penalties. There's no minimum period you've got to have this policy. You can take one out today, cancel it tomorrow without any cancellation fees at all. And then we can put you with the right insurance company as a non-smoker and get those savings. So if you think you might qualify, has that been the incentive that you need to quit smoking? So maybe you're thinking, well, I'll quit and I'll come back in a year's time. Fantastic. I really hope that that's been the little nudge that you've needed to quit smoking. You'll be following in a well-trodden path here. Since 2011, over 3 million UK adults have quit smoking. So I'm really thinking I should be talking to a few people here today, or if not you, is it family members, is it friends that you know have made that great step to quit smoking? And if they are adults, they're homeowners, they probably have got some sort of life insurance. So it's worth passing on that bit of good news. Get them to have a look. Did they take the life insurance out when they were a smoker? Because do you know what? When you quit smoking, there's no way that you make the direct connection between the great news of quitting smoking and all the health benefits it brings, and someone goes, oh, must check my life insurance. It's unlikely that's going to happen. So I can see thousands and thousands of people that have got life insurance that are now overpaying because they never made the connection back to their life insurance policy, and they're still paying premiums as a smoker because they don't realise, and they also don't know that they can get it reassessed now as a non-smoker. So I really, really, really hope that resonates with quite a few of you. And if you want to have a chat through with our insurance advisor, there'll be a link at the end of this piece. Have a conversation, see if you qualify, and I really hope that you make some savings. And if you do, put some comment in below. I'd really hope to hear that good news. Thanks so much for listening.